Chuckie and Billy Jigsaw are both dolls. Kill people.
Are you gay? I have to laugh. Could you imagine that? If we were gay? Could you imagine? Newborn deer runs through a field. Rainbow shines from heaven. Child's smile lights up the room.
Chuckie.
Close it, dude. Star shoots in from outer space. A puppy licks its mother. A ray of sunlight through the trees.
Chuckie.
Licks a sack. There would be no sadness if we were super gay. Just unicorns and magic. If we were super gay, we would all be fine on a tasteful pink duvet. But mostly
Chuckie. Chuckie. Chuckie.
Here's a list of things that
Chuckie.
likes to suck. Tick 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 balls. Tick 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 balls. 1, 2 balls. Yordic minded, Yordic minded, Yordic minded, Yordic minded, Yordic 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 balls. 5 balls and tick 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 tick. Oh shit.
Chuckie, are you homophobic?
You know, I have a queer kid. Gender fluid.